All right, good morning. So, one more numerical on the topic of centripetal forces as used in the satellite motion. So, in this question, you have a satellite moving around the Earth in the circular orbit, and the velocity of the satellite is v. Now, the question is if the gravitational force of Earth on the satellite vanishes or disappears, what happens to the satellite? Now, if you want to have a discussion on this, the first point of view is that centripetal force is a fake force. It's not a real force, and the only real force in this situation is gravitational force, which is a source of centripetal force. And in the case of this motion, the gravitational force remains constant as g mm by r square because the distance of the satellite is constant, equal to radius of the the orbit, the radius of revolution, and therefore the centripetal force will also be constant because the source of centripetal force is constant. And now, since this has been established that it's a case of a circular motion, it's a case of uniform circular motion because centripetal force will remain constant. We know if the source of centripetal force disappears, the body will move off tangentially to the circular orbit because throughout the motion, the centripetal force is towards the center. I mean, the fake force is towards the center, and the velocity is always perpendicular to that. So choice number A is the correct choice.